the protection rings for the 18650 cells. Take it out, pop the middle cap off and place it on the cells with the bare top, just like that. Required if you don't want any short during the welding or the soldering. So the next step is to use a heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer if it gets hot enough. So the cell right here, you put it in there, leave it in the center, then go ahead and apply some heat on it. Apply the least heat as possible. Remember that the cell doesn't like heat. So that's all set. As you can see here, the cell protected quite nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for all cells. You want to make sure you apply the heat as least and effective as possible. You don't want to heat up the cell too much, just enough to shrink the tubing. And so this cell is still good, but it is quite rusty, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and sand it off before I protect it and wrap. So this is some low-grade sandpaper. So all the cells are wrapped up. This is how you wrap 18650 cells. So hit me up in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.